Welcome to Doc Trade Options Trader, where I recap today's close, look at the futures, and scan through our ETF watch list to spot opportunity. Today is October 24th, 2016, and the markets were in the green today, with the S&P and the Dow up almost half a point, Nasdaq up a full percent, and the Russell up over a half a percent. Looking into the futures, the ES, Nasdaq, the Russell, and the Dow pretty much unchanged, up slightly. Bonds are down to unchanged. The VIX has a little slight tick up. Buy signal on that. Crude is down a little bit, holding at 50.44. Natural gas was down today. The futures are showing up. Gold is down a little bit at 12.62, as well as silver. Palladium, the dollar is up. The British pound is holding at 122.2. Get into the charts. We'll start with oil. Oil was down, gap down, and then closed up today. Still have our sell signal from Friday. This we shorted on Friday. Had a nice move down over almost a point, 1.25%. Natural gas we didn't get filled. We're looking to buy here. Looks like we're gonna wait till the trend line to go along. It was a busy day today. Gold was down almost 0.25%. Still working its way in that wedge. Gold miners back down to the mid channel. We expected to bounce up and touch this trend line and see what happens from there. Silver, we just closed the position on this. When it hit the mid trend line, we want to get a better opportunity to buy down here at about 1650, 1640. Bonds were down almost a 0.5%. Still working that channel. Oh my god. Bonds. Apologize for that. I'm not going to redo. But XLE, energy sector, we had a short today because it closed below this mid channel. Now we put on, we bought some puts and buy some calls once it comes down to this channel. So this channel we can eliminate or just make it a little less incognito. We'll just go with the red. So you can see that was the old channel. This is the new channel. This is the new channel here. New range to trade right in this channel. It's a good one. Financials, put another short on today. It's hit its head on this resistance. Never broke. Don't think it will break. It's going to work its way in this wedge before it drops down lower, so we feel good about that. Industrials had a nice bounce. I'm still going to work this wedge as long as we don't drop below this. Still bullish. XLU should be working its way down a little bit more. It's going to move with the markets. Material sector had a pop up, closed a little lower, still above the range. Spotted no opportunity there. Still have a long on our health sector, though it closed down today. Have our buy signals, and we still have our buy here, which was a good location. Here we shorted, yes, the real estate, because we went long the home builders last week. So it hit the top of this channel. Unless it breaks this channel, we're gonna keep this long, this short, and stay long the home builders. This is the home builders here, and it looks like we're okay. That was a good pairs trade, and it looks like it might work out with us. Still below our 20-day moving average. We might look to close or retain some profits once it hits that 20-day by buying a put spread, because right now I believe we bought a call spread. Still short the retail sector, and it's midway through the channel. Still okay on that. If it hits the top of this channel, we'll probably put another short position on. Consumer staples, right at the top of the channel. Relative strength is half. No buy sell signals here. It's just kind of like a slow moving downwards. Right now we don't see any reason to put any type of trade on here. To analyze it a little better, but we'll keep that. We shorted the dollar today just because of strength, and it was our second sell signal here. So we didn't sell at the 25.30, sold at the 25.50. So that should work out. This is the S&P, moved up above this trend, so it could either continue to trade in this into this apex and make a move, or if it does break above this trend line, then expect more bullish action. What we expected is to keep trading in this range here. This range, 120s, not 125s, but keep continuing this trend between this channel. Though there's a lot of people looking for it to fall. This is the Dow, and it's just continues to move sideways. This is the Russell. We added a little square here because this is our shorting range here. It made it through this, broke this trend line, and came up, popped up above, now into the mid channel. So once it hits this place, that's where we want to put another short, because we expect more downward action. The cubes closed all-time high, where we put a short position on just because it closed almost to that support level, and it was right in our green range where we said once it touches this again, we're not going to miss another short. The emerging markets shorted on Thursday, worked for us on Friday. Today it opened right at resistance and closed down, so this short is still going to work. Everything's running sideways. This is China, still moving sideways. Good place to put iron condors in, and this move was on low volume. FXB, which is the British pound, still moving up on this support. If it breaks this, you can expect a lot more movement to the downside. This is the euro, pretty much unchanged. The yen, still clustering, figuring out what to do. And the VIX, we're gonna put another position today again, as you can see. Now we got this full position, 1, 2, 3. Now we need 1, 2 out. So we expect this VIX to keep moving after all its sell signals. And thanks